Okay, so we're here at Bale Udang, and yes, we're just going to have dinner. We're just waiting for my son to turn up with his mate, and yeah, we'll go in and show you what it's all about. Now there's a big lake in here where you sit in little posts all around the lake, and it's yeah, it's really nice. It's a big complex, there's plenty of parking. Check that out. Now to book this, you need to book through, we Instagram them, and then they send you a link. I'll put the link in the description. Now this is a booking link. You've got to book. If you can come into the restaurant and just sit, but if you want to actually sit at one of the posts right on the water, you've got to pre-book it because they're always booked out. So I'll send the link for pre-booking for the posts, and yeah, so just check that out. How good is this? So this is my oldest son, Kyle, his mate Shane. It's been here for years and years and years. Now they rebuilt it all, this new bamboo structure, like probably about 10 years ago, and they've just been upgrading it ever since. So it's really nice in here, very nice. We've got like little photo areas and stuff in here. Alright, so you just check in and tell them your booking name and you can go in. Okay, so here's little ponds everywhere. Look at the size of these koi fish. Just fish like this all the way through the place. So if you want to just not book and turn up at any time, you can come and sit under the big bamboo structure here, and there's just zillions of tables. Check out that, it's unreal. All built out of bamboo and grass roof. Very nice. And this is like another little separate, this looks like new, this one, since the last time I was here. And it's got its own little pond with its own fish. Just check all them out. Just millions of them. So you can actually buy fish food here and feed them and stuff. Alright, so they're heading off around to the post. I'll just catch up to them. Right, so there's all separate little posts. Like this is a little private one, sort of shaped out of bamboo like a boat. Now there's other areas in here too, eating areas over here. You'd probably fit like 500 or 600 people in here. Some more areas out here just to hang out and take photos. Really have done it up into a really nice complex. And I used to come here about 25 years ago, and it was just a dirty little pond with some little grass roof things, and it was very cheap and very, yeah, it was one of the cheap places to come and eat seafood. But they've done a lot of work on it and fixed them all, everything up. So these are the little posts. You can see they're just like grass roof or bamboo. You just sit at the table, put your legs down in between, the fish swim underneath you and that. Yeah, it's really nice. So this is like another air-conditioned glass air conditioned room. There's just separate little rooms and stuff all over. Some other eating platforms up here where you just sit on the little couches. And then, hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Yeah, it's really changed since last time I've been in here. But there's another section all up the back here where you can just come and eat. Yeah, it's very nice. Definitely done a lot of work here. I probably haven't been here for the last 6 months or last year maybe. And yeah, definitely looks different. Okay, so this is our one. Just check this out. It's really nice. Now overnight, as soon as the lights come out, there's all lights on the water, and it really is nice. Alright, so what I did do is I bought a little, see the fish coming, I bought a little bag of chicken pellets. So I'm going to see if these fish like chicken pellets. Now you can buy food over there for them, and it just looks like chicken pellets, so I thought I'll bring some chicken pellets and see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. They love chook pellets. Well, that's a go. Okay. Yeah, there's two actually restaurants in here. Here's the menu for Demeter or whatever it is, which is probably more Indo style and lower price, I don't know. What sort of food have they got? Calamari, chicken, buckseye, boneless fried chicken. Alright, so there's sort of, it's the same place, but there's two different little types of arrow. One's full on seafood and one's Indo food, more like it. Seafood, fried noodles, chicken fried noodles. Oh, they actually do pizzas, rice dishes, pasta, noodles.
Yeah. And we got that as well. That was spicy and rich.
And then there's desserts as well.
But the green one is
Okay, so this is the menu. Bale Udang Legian. Right, seafood. It's all the different types of sambals and that you can have. Right, so they got scampi, lobsters, mud crabs. Crabs look alright. Then different dishes. This is like karang, which is like shellfish, oysters. They've actually got oysters, yeah. Scallops. And these might be like packages. These are the package. 700 there is about $70. And you might always get all this. Prawns, crabs, shellfish, fish, more prawns, squid, fruit. You get vegetables and rice as well. $70, and that's to feed 4 people, isn't it? Alright, so there's numerous different packets. You get the whole fish, chicken, prawn, squid, lobster. So there's different packages for every occasion. King prawns, crabs. Alright. What else have we got? Alright, so they got ayam petutu. Oh, nice. The gourmet fish. Chicken klong kong. Must be a dish from Klong Kong. Ayam bakar kintamani. Shellfish from Jimbron. And what else? So there's more or less an endless menu of anything you want. The book's too thick to go through it all, so just giving you an idea of what it is.
Really, with the dishes.
So we've got beef dishes here. This is all beef satay,
Sambal mata.
beef with green sambal,
the bottom.
sapi ladi hitam, that's beef and black pepper,
The sambal mata.
rendang.
Number 3.
So there's seafood, chicken and beef.
Chili and garlic.
And these are all the different types of sambals that you can get.
No, it depends. If you buy it, you can.
Alright, that's basically the menu. Oh yeah, desserts. Cheesecakes, cakes, chocolate cakes.
Sure.
Check that out. Fish. Alright, so we got the fried squid. Looks really good, look at
Is
that.
that the fillet cut away from the bone?
Check that out, looks really good. Fried calamari. Check out the fish.
Straight out of the pond.
They sort of cut it up the middle. Yeah. And take the bones out and then fry it. Sort of hanging, and they hang it into a pot of fat and just fry the whole fish.
Nice. Crispy.
Okay, so this is the beef ladi hitam, which is black pepper.
Let me see.
We've got some vegetable.
Let me see. Satu lagi.
Shane got the fried prawns. It's got the little charcoal burner there. Very good. Alright, so you get little steamed packages of rice in the banana leaf. This fish looks very good. So they've sort of cut it down to cuts and all the bones are in the middle. And I suppose you just break off and fill it. So with beers and drinks and everything like that, it was about 1.2 million, about 120 bucks for 4 of us. But we had a lot of, we had a good feed, and yeah, well worth it. And yeah, it's really relaxing, nice sitting around the water here. It's definitely a place to come and see if you're in. It's in Legian. It's really not that far from the beach, probably about 1.5 kilometres from the beach, and not that many tourists really come out here. You don't really see many here. It's mainly all locals, but it's called Bale Udang. I'll leave the links in the description, and it's really worth coming and checking out. Bale Udang. It's on Jalan Nakula.